Vancouver, Canada. Rowdy fans fill the seats at this annual Monster Truck and Motocross show. With high-octane gas fueling the action in the ring, booze feeds the fire in the stands. A group of drunken revelers turns reckless as one tries a foolish crowd dive. His jump lands on empty chairs. But when his pals decide to get in on the action, they crash into other audience members. One of the hit bystanders snatches the ringleader's hat. Angry words are exchanged before the men are finally separated. But the instant he has the chance, Hat Boy delivers a sucker punch. It sets off a powder keg of anger and alcohol. Like the wave, the rumble spreads through the arena. Innocent spectators try to scramble away. Soon, security drags the aggressors out of the stands and expels them from the stadium. But outside, the rioters try to beat their way back in. It's a useless display. Authorities have shut them out for good. By night's end, nearly 100 people have been ejected. All because of a few rowdy revelers who turned this monster truck show into a monster brawl.